STP. You're going to see that in some of these problems in Unit 1, but what exactly does that mean? Let's talk about it. So matter can behave differently depending on what's going on around it, the pressure and the temperature that it's under. So in order to make it easier, kind of have a common language for scientists, they have agreed upon standard temperatures and pressure by which to describe chemical and physical processes and how they occur. So you need to know what these values are. And there's 3 different temperature units and there's several different pressure units that are all representative of standard. So if something is under standard temperature, that means that the conditions are either 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equal to 0 degrees Celsius, which is also equal to 273.15 on the Kelvin scale. Pressure. What is standard pressure? Well, first of all, make sure you understand what pressure is. Pressure is that force that's exerted on something per unit area. So keep in mind when I'm talking especially about gases, when I'm talking about collisions, those collisions are exerting the pressure that we experience. So standard pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, which is equal to 14.7 psi, or pounds per square inch, which is equal to 101.325 kilopascals, which is also equal to 760 torr, or millimeters of mercury. Those are equal to one another. So there's lots of different instruments that are used to measure pressure, and sometimes they measure pressure a little bit differently. So we've got these different pressure units, but you need to know what all of them are at standard pressure. So if needed, you can convert and use that dimensional analysis from one unit to another if and when needed.